Hi Amanda.
Hello.
How are you?
Good, thank you.
That's good. Thanks for coming today. Do you remember earlier on when we went on our bushwalk and we picked those plants and different bits and pieces?
Yes.
Well, we're going to use those in our science lesson today.
Cool.
Okay. Did you know that most flowering plants can be grouped into two different families? Did you know that they could be the Monocot and Dicot family?
Okay.
The difference between a monocot and dicot are found in physical features and their structure. The word monocot can be separated into two parts. Firstly is mono, so mono
Okay.
and cot. Alright? Cot is short for cotyledon, which refers to what is inside the seed of a plant when it's peeled back.
Okay.
Scientists refer to this as seed leaves. Mono means one, which means that monocot has only one cotyledon.
Okay.
In contrast, dicot, di means two.
So
Which-
it's two cotyledon?
That's right, two cotyledon. Good job. So let's explore the physical features and structure of these now. Here's a diagram that I've prepared for you that we can have a look at.
Yep.
Okay? Now we're going to look at how they can be differently classified. Firstly, we'll look at the monocot and compare it to the other one. So let's look at the veins. Okay, the veins are there.
Okay.
Veins in the monocot run parallel to each other.
Okay, and then it says here veins are usually net-like in the dicot.
Yep, so they usually net-like and run off one another, so they're a bit more chaotic.
Okay.
Okay, and the stem, the vascular bundles are structured through the whole stem for the monocot. So it means that they're all over the place.
Mm-hmm.
Whereas the stem in the other one, in the dicot, are in a circle. Yep, and they're usually around the edge of the stem.
Okay.
In the roots, we're looking at the top one, they're fibrous at monocot, and that means that they spread out.
Yep.
Whereas the roots on the other one are a taproot. So it's one big large root that shoots straight down.
With only a couple, like only a few little roots off it.
That's right. And then in the flowers, in the petals for the monocot, they're usually in multiples of 3. So for example, 3 or 6. Okay, so you can see there that there's 6 in the diagram.
There's 6 petals, yep.
Yep, and in the other one,
There's 5.
Yep, that's right. In the dicot, there's 4 to 5, usually multiples of 4 and 5.
Okay.
Okay, so now let's look at the plants that we collected earlier and see if we can classify them.
Yep.
Alright, I'll just grab the whole pile of them. So look at this one first.
Okay, so this is just a leaf.
Yep.
So I think this is a monocot because all the veins are running parallel.
Correct. Good job. And this one?
This one, the leaves, they have lots of veins and they're all coming off one big main one. So that would mean it's a dicot, and then the flowers have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 petals. So that is definitely a dicot.
Good job. Now this one's pretty straightforward.
Well that's a taproot, isn't it? So
Yep.
it's a dicot, and then the leaves have lots of net veins in them.
Good. And this one we picked out of the ground and brought the whole lot with us so we can see.
Okay. Well, the veins are all the same, kind of, and they're all really spread out, so I think it's a monocot.
Good job. And now this one is one I brought from home. My wife and I are going to plant it.
Okay. Cool. Well, I can't see any netty veins, so I'm guessing the veins all run parallel. And that would mean it's a monocot. And then here's a flower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is a multiple of 3, so monocot.
Beautiful. Now this one we're going to look at. It's beautiful.
Okay. These have flowers and they're in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's a net-like shape. So there we go.
Beautiful. Good
Done.
job. Well done. Why do you think they're made differently?
Maybe one's for like wet areas and one's better for dry areas where there's not much rain.
Good job. I think so too. So like desert areas.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Well, thank you for coming and listening to the science stuff today.
Thank you for teaching me the story.
Well, you're welcome. I'll let you go back to class now.
Okay.
Thanks, man.